Anyway, good evening and a very well welcome. It's Live Lounge Thursday, and Sharna and Jim, we have them live in the studio for their second song. How did you think the first one went? Was you okay with that?
Yeah, it's lovely. It's nice and relaxed in here. We like it.
It sounded amazing in here.
Thank
Fantastic.
you.
I loved it. But yeah, thanks very much. Second song, what's you going to sing?
Well, this one's a bit of a sad one as well. Because of my voice being like it is today.
I was going to say, you said before the show, you did say your voice was a little bit croaky.
We've got lighter songs, but unfortunately, due to vocal experiences, I got to do the low ones.
Work hard, play hard, yeah?
Yeah, it was a busy weekend and it was good. But no, we're going to do Flow Light. No, we've done Flow Light well. We're going to do Sands of Time.
Fantastic.
Now, when I came out of hospital, this was the one that I wrote because I didn't think I'd be able to sing again.
Right, okay.
So we've kept it very simple as the day it was written.
Yep.
And we perform it the same. Because it was kind of written in mind of that if this was my ability now, still I can get some songwriting out in a different form. So.
I just love your focus. But yeah, go for
Thank
it.
you.
It's all yours. Enjoy.
Thank you very much. Peering through the windows of my mind, all the memories, every mile. Some are sad and some sublime. They carve me out over time. My mind takes me places I can no longer go, where I see the faces I can no longer hold. But now, without you, my story must go on. But oh, how I miss you, now you're gone. Peering through the windows of my mind, your big hand was holding mine. You helped me reach, you help me climb that deep connection wove in time. My mind takes me places I can no longer go, where I see the faces I can no longer hold. But now, without you, my story must go on. But oh, how I miss you, now you're gone. Peering through the windows of my mind, sifting through the sands of time. Wish you was here, not just in mind. Swept away by the sands of time. That's for my mum.
Wow, incredible. Thank you.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St. Luke's Sound.